Hi, in this video we're going to unbox the Magsafe charger. Now this is a new charger just released by Apple. So let's see what you're going to get inside this box here. I'm just going to pull this one open, and then we're going to take a look on the inside. So you can see it's quite hard to pull it out, it's quite sticky. It's a very strong adhesive, and then this is inside the box right here. So you got the wireless charger in here. They're very tiny compared to other chargers. So I'm just gonna push it open out like that. So this is the wire. Let's see how they package the cables. So I'm just gonna open up that one there, and then open up that, and this one here just slot right into that. So you can just going to pull it out, and then you just take it around, and I'm just going to pull it out. You can just slide out like that. So it's really small. You can see it sits in my small palm just like that. So I'm just going to see how small it is. It's only like what, 5.5 centimeters across, like so. So they're quite small, and there's no charger come with this wireless charger. So you need to buy a separate wall plug charger. So Apple recommended you get a charger brick like this one, a 20-watt charger, and then you can simply just plug this cable directly into your charger like that. So if you have an older charger with a USB-A port, it will not work. So don't forget, if you are buying an older if you have an older charger like this, it will not work. You can see this is the USB-C type, and it will not fit. So this is an older charger from an older iPhone. This is from an iPhone 7 or 6. So you can see this USB-A. So don't forget to buy an additional wall plug charger if you're going to get this wireless charger, because if you go home you might not have the correct charger to plug in. And yeah, so this charger here is 15 watts, so it is fast charging. It is a new technology from Apple. So it's supposed to simply allow you to snap in to your iPhone 12 just like that. So you can see there is a magnetic on the back of the iPhone as well as on this wireless charger. So when you place it, it's supposed to automatically snap the charger into the center of the device. So you can see here, if I slide slowly, you can see it quickly snap into the center. You can see right there, it's just right there. If I move in slowly, you can see it snap right in. So that will allow, because of that magnetic, it will allow your phone to 100% efficiently charge up the device. So if you place it like that, you probably not get 100% of the charging transfer to the device. So by using a magnetic coil, your device can quickly have charge up by having a full power from the wireless charger going to your phone. But also make sure that you need to have a fast charger plug. If you have a low slowing charger plug, then it could also cause you to take longer to charge up your iPhone 12. Okay, so let's try it out. We can just plug this one in, and then plug it in to the wall plug, and then have your phone snap on to it. So it really isn't that great. So they say it's easily you can snap it on, but you can see I still can charge it even if the phone's not snapping correctly. So let's see. So it's kind of like, so you have to play it kind of like at the center. You can see if I put it on, it's still not really snapping in. You still have to kind of like know where you actually put it on the charger. There it is. So it's not 100% clicking. So I'll put the phone on. You can see it's not really actually clicking into place. You have to kind of like move it around a little bit for the phone to snap into the charger. And because it's quite thin, you can actually also lift up while charging. You can kind of move it around like that. So you do feel a smooth feeling of sliding across, and you can have the cable straight down, and then you can hold it and kind of like have it charged while you are using the phone. So that is another cool thing, that this is quite tiny. You can hold it and you don't really actually feel a big bump at the back. Now in the previous videos, I used a Qi fast wireless charger from Samsung, and this we're using this charger. It took me nearly 3.5 hours to charge up the iPhone 12. So actually, yeah, over 3.5 hours just to charge it up from 0% to 100%. So I'm going to test it later on to see how fast it will charge up your device from 0 to 100% using the new Apple Magsafe wireless charger. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box. So I'm just going to plug in the case here, put the phone into this case. This case here is just a generic case from Mirror case. It's not Magsafe compatible, but let's see if it still charges with your Magsafe charger. So you can see it still charges. It doesn't snap into your charger correctly, so there's no magnetic snapping on. So you can see here, it really isn't. So it works a little bit. It still snap on, but just not very tight. So I'm not sure how much power that is going to pass onto the device. So I'm going to also test it with a non-compliant case to see how fast it would charge on your device. So one is I'm going to test with the case, and I want to do another test without the case to see if they are charging up at the same rate. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.